Hi, my name is Lauren Buchter. I'm a composer. I work in film, television, dance, concert works, and podcasts. Some of the projects I'm really excited and proud of include Above the Sea, which was a short film that won a Student Academy Award. I also contributed music for an interview with Malala Yousafzai by Diane Sawyer. For me, I love to compose because I feel like it's the easiest way for me to express emotions and feelings without using words. I love collaborating with people, and it's always a special moment when you're able to translate what a director or collaborator is trying to say musically. In this class, entitled Songwriting and Composing Melodies, the goal is by the end you'll have completed your own song or composition. I'm going to walk you through some fun steps of building your chord progression, creating your melody, writing personalized lyrics. By the end, we'll be able to make a fantastic project that you can post to the gallery that will include a fully completed song or composition of your own. Thanks so much for checking out this course, and I think you're going to love it.